guys, what is going on? We are out here at Auto Mafia Racing, as you can see behind me. As you also know, my car is broken. Well, not broken, but it doesn't have an engine, so it's basically broken. I can't do anything with it. Can't really make content with it. And I know, I do sit in the engine bay sometimes and just kind of, yeah. Yeah. So, and I know you're all looking at the orange Auto Mafia shirt. Pretty cool. Got orange ones. So, yep. Oh, show them the back.
You got a model in orange. It's Watch My Eco orange, guys. There you go.
But yeah, orange Auto Mafia shirts. So that's cool. But anyways, so like I said, my car is broken. As you guys know, it's getting the engine built. So I don't have a lot to do with it. So we're here at Auto Mafia, and if you guys follow them, which if you don't, you should go follow them. I'll leave the link below. They have a very fast 3.7 Mustang, which just happens to be right up behind me. And they made a pass at Piston cars? Piston cars. And they set a world record. And it ended up not so good. But it was a stock sealed motor. Well, the world record was good. The aftermath, it's actually on a 1320 video as well, which is pretty cool. The aftermath was not so good. And that's what we are doing today, is we are checking it out. So this is the 3.7, the record holding stock sealed 3.7 right here.
150,000 miles on this thing.
I always forget that. I'm like, yeah, 3.7, they're pretty strong, but it's like, okay, so this one's got 150,000 miles on it, so it's seen some stuff. Had a...
Okay, it's dry, but you can see it looks wet.
We did this before, and it just dumped oil out of there, so... I think, doesn't it have a hole somewhere?
Yeah, it's got a couple.
Does it have a hole somewhere?
It's got a couple holes.
I'm gonna see if I can find a hole.
There's a big one on that side.
Where at? Oh, I think there's a hole right there.
That has oil in it.
Oh, yeah, there's a hole. You can't really see it, but there's a hole in there. But anyways, we are going to be pulling it apart and basically seeing what the damage is. So we got around to pulling the plugs. Not too bad. Not too bad. You know, a little nasty, but I mean the engine did blow up. But overall, a lot of them don't look too bad, except for this one, which, as you guys can see, got fucked up.
Big time.
Yeah, it's like Cody said it's a -2 gap on this one. But I think we just put new plugs in it, it'll probably be good to go. Remember that hole I was trying to show you guys? Yeah. Oh, there's, yeah. And then like that just came falling out of it. I guess the motor mount was kind of holding it in.
Yeah,
so,
the motor mount came off and just it all fell out.
Yeah. It blew up real good.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, parts already fell off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Look at the flashlight.
Look at that. Oh, look in there.
Can't see your hands in the way.
Look at all that.
Oh man.
All the destruction. The carnage.
There's just pieces everywhere.
Glad that didn't happen to mine.
Wrist pins and chunks and parts of the rings. Lovely. Just set this over under there.
Okay.
I see chunks.
Oh, it's like super chunky peanut butter, man.
I see. Oh God, there's more than I thought. It's just everywhere.
What did you say earlier? Chunky engine salsa?
I am so excited to get the oil pan off. I'm excited to get the heads off because I want to see like just like all the pistons and then like one missing. I was kind of expecting us to do this with my car at one point when it blew up.
Yeah, I was
but
too.
It never blew up, luckily. So we get to do it with your V6. So
I'm down.
Yeah.
Those look fine. Those look fine.
No missing pistons.
There's some big pistons.
Dang. But none missing. This is not fun.
No, yeah, a lot of
is not.
Good. That head's good.
This is not what I came here for.
Zach came here wanting destruction.
Not what you were promised.
No.
There's a couple marks in it.
Yeah, but no chunks.
Yeah, there. It ate something, but not badly. That had to be like right at the end where it lost some chunkage.
Put some new plugs in it, it'll be good.
All right, so head number 2. This one should be the money shot.
Yeah.
Oh!
I haven't even looked yet, and I'm excited.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that one looks good. Oh, okay. I thought it was chunks.
No. I mean, yes,
All
but
right.
no.
I'm.
Look in there.
Yes.
That's the carnage you
Yes.
paid for. Hold on.
Yes. Light. Let there be light. Oh my God! It's like 3/4 of the piston decided it was just I'm out.
Done.
Look how much sand is in here.
Oh my God!
Forget Florida. Look how much sand is in
Can
there.
you pull those out? Are they detached?
What?
The rod and piston in there? Is it just detached, like the chunks?
Is it stuck?
Is it just sitting there? Or is it okay? I didn't know if it was like
This is a piston.
Yeah. I think it's only.
This
piston.
is also it lost one piston.
So the rod is just probably somewhere. Is that a wrist pin? What's that down there?
Where?
Oh no, it's not. Is it? No, that's not. Yeah, it is.
Gotta get in there deep like. It's too slippery. I can't get it out. I was gonna say grab a magnet, but I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. So more chunkage. That piston just went bye bye.
Hello.
There you go. My hands must have been too oil.
Hold it next to your face for a thumbnail. Yep, there we go. That was it.
I caught a wrist pin.
Good catch.
Add that to the parts. That's one of the most solid pieces you have.
Yeah, that wrist pin is durable. We're gonna flip the engine over and then take off the oil pan and see the rest of the carnage.
This is exciting.
Let's get it drained. Let's see if any chunks come out. Oh, that was some chunks. Oh, I can hear it. Oh, that was a chunk. Juicy chunk. Oh, there's another one.
Some powdered piston.
That was sand from the bottom.
That was
yeah.
piston.
Oh yeah. Oh, raining. I see a ring. There's
Yeah.
there's a ring right over there.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just gonna pick this out of here real quick. Nice.
Look at all.
Bunch of little pieces.
That was a ring. That's a wrist pin, I think. Due to bad maintenance.
You guys ever open your engine and you can spin the rod around like this?
It's a bad day.
There's something wrong.
But the bearings are good.
The bearing is good. We could reuse the
bearing's
bearings.
fine.
And then you can
Good finger here, block.
stick your finger. Look at this. Why couldn't mine have gone out like this? This would have been spectacular.
Because you needed to reuse yours.
Yeah, but I'm glad somebody like.
Some good carnage right there.
I'm pretty sure that rod is bent too. You just gotta pull it out, which we'll get to here shortly.
What, this one?
No, this one. Like if you look down in there, can you see?
Oh, it's bent.
Yeah, it looks in the bottom of the piston's all screwed up.
Yeah, because I think the parts of this rod and piston just went, I mean, it completely obliterated the block.
This is the side where it tried coming out right there,
Look,
but
parts of it are still lodged in the side right there. It's ridiculous.
Jesus. If you look down here, I know it's hard because it's dark, but the rod basically goes whoop.
There's chunks of the freaking.
At least it's, not like this one. This one is not okay. You're ever wondering what would happen if you, just
Don't care about
blow up a stock sealed 3.7? This is what would happen.
It's not sealed anymore. It's not sealed anymore.
It unsealed itself. You can see daylight. By the way, guys, I'm using a different camera this time, so let me know if this is better. I know some people complained about the phone quality, so I am using a GoPro with a nice little external camera, or external microphone. So hopefully it sounds better and all that good stuff. But we're still out here working a little bit. I think Caleb's attempting to turn the motor over.
It was.
Oh,
I don't think it's gonna happen though.
yeah, I kind of figured when you basically like welded your piston into the wall of the cylinder wall. It obliterated one of them. The other one's jammed up, I thought. Or was I wrong?
I don't know.
No, because a piece of that one, really now. Needless to say, we're not reusing this.
It's complete.
We're not reusing anything.
No, it's a $500 motor.
Yeah, these are cheap. If you didn't know, you can get the V6s for like $500 for like a long block. It's like
a full motor.
It's like, why wouldn't you blow it up for? Why wouldn't you send it for that price? Oh, it moved. Nice. Oh, hello. Jesus Christ! I was gonna catch it.
Well, why didn't you catch it?
Well, because you hit it before I could have. That's not the one we thought was bent, is it?
Still pretty. Yeah, that's the one you thought was bent.
Shut up.
Told you it wasn't bent.
Shut up. It looked so bent.
That's the problem. That's the only one I can get both.
I mean, we've seen worse. It's going.
I freed it up.
Nice. I already know there's going to be people commenting on this video saying, "Oh, look at you idiots." But let's be honest. Like, I mean, first of all, this rod is, as I showed you, not there.
And look where I was hammering.
And like, this is basically just completely.
This is for fun now.
Yeah, it's completely frozen, basically. I think we got it freed up though, so we could.
I did free it up. So now we can get the rest of the rods off.
Yeah, which is, we just want to see the destruction, really. You know, like he said, these are $500, so he's just gonna get another one at some point. But yeah, let's see if we can get some of these other rods out and see if any of them got bent, because I could have sworn I saw some bent rods. All right, so we finally got the rods and pistons out, and I'm kind of upset because there wasn't any bent rods.
There wasn't. There's 5 good rods there.
Literally. Okay, I know a lot of my viewers are EcoBoost owners and whatnot, so some of you might not be as familiar with the V6, but they're pretty strong from the factory, wouldn't you say?
Considering we were pushing over 650 horsepower on the motor, and this one had like 150, 160, 170,000.
Right.
I don't know. I ordered it off of LKQ. It got delivered. We literally changed the oil in it once and went racing. And it's had probably 100 passes on it, 12 of them being boosted.
And
trying to run 9.
For those of you that don't know I said it in the beginning of the video, that's the record-setting V6 up there. This is Caleb from Auto Mafia. He is probably tuned the most V6s, or at least up there with tuning the most V6s. And he's a great V6 tuner. He's one of the top V6 tuners. And this was his basically shop car, project car, just wanted to see what he could do with it. And surprisingly, this held up pretty good for what it was. I mean,
I still know what happened. I know exactly what happened.
Yeah.
I over-revved it in the burnout box. Don't send it to 8,500 RPMs.
Yeah.
Obviously, that one cylinder didn't like it.
Yeah.
It weakened it, and then on the end of that run, doing about 140 miles an hour and about 8,000 RPM, when I let off of it, that one cylinder let go.
Yeah. But like I said, a lot of my viewers are EcoBoost owners. They're not familiar. Very strong engine from the factory. We have 5 surviving rods and pistons. Some of them got a little bit ate up, but I mean, one piston is, I mean, I'd show you, but it's all over the place, literally.
I got you.
Oh, okay.
I got you. Here it is.
There's the majority of it. We got a wrist pin, all that stuff. If you put all that together, it'd probably be pretty close to a full piston.
We're close.
But yeah, so basically a rod and piston just destroyed itself, and that's basically what destroyed the motor. All the rest were probably good to go. So, just one small failure. But all in all, I'm pretty impressed with the damage here, but I'm overall pretty impressed with how strong the engine was and that it could go 9.7, and Caleb thinks it could have gone a little bit faster.
It could have gone faster.
But
We'll go
Yeah.
faster on a stock motor.
You know, it makes me miss my V6. For those of you who don't know, I had a 2015 3.7 before I had the EcoBoost. And kind of makes me miss the V6 because these things can take some serious power. But yeah, guys, that's the teardown. That's basically what we got out of this. One obliterated piston and rod, and a whole bunch of carnage, a hole in the windage tray,
Holes in
and
the block.
you know, some mementos that Caleb was talking about turning into a table.
Yeah, we'll make
block-
this a table.
Yeah, make it a table somehow. Record-setting V6 table. So, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't my usual content with EcoBoost stuff, but, you know, I am affiliated with Auto Mafia Racing, and, you know, that is their project car, and I have a lot of fun with them, drag race and all that, so there will be some more videos with Auto Mafia Racing in the near future. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't go EcoBoom.